Good evening, Mahaganadhipataye. How are you, everyone? Yeah, good evening to all. Mahaganadhipataye.
ఆ తర్వాత ఎలక్ట్రిక్ మోటార్ అదే ఎలక్ట్రిక్ మోటార్
Good evening. We are discussing a paper. Is that right?
మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఇస్ కరెంట్ టు స్ట్రేట్ కండక్టర్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ కంట్రోల్
I think we had completed 15 questions in that paper.
మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఇస్ కరెంట్ టు స్ట్రేట్ మోడ్స్ ఆఫ్ కరెంట్ యాజ్ కండక్టర్ అండ్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్
See the 16th question.
అంతేనా
The mean weight of 9 students is 25 kgs. If one more student is joined in the group, the mean is unaltered. Means there is no change in the mean. Then the weight of 10th student. This is the question. Mean of 9 students is 25. And one more student is joined, even though there is no change in the mean. That is what you have to understand. That means mean of 10 students is 25. Mean of 9 students is 25. If one more student is joined, then also the mean is 25 only. And what he is asking? He is asking to find out the weight of the 10th student already the weight of 10th student that has joined. So here find out sum of 9 observations, that is mean into number of observations. I think it is 225. Sum of 10 observations, that is 25 into 10, mean into number of observations, 250. So sum of 9 observations means the sum of 9 students' weight. Sum of 9 students' weight is 225 kgs. Sum of 10 students' weight is 250 kgs. That means the weight of the 10th student is 250 minus 225, which is 25 kgs. And whatever you are giving answers, it is right. Very good. Next question. Question number 17. The probability expressed as a percentage of a particular occurrence can never be less than 100, less than 0, greater than 1, anything but a whole number. So what is the answer for this question, children? Less than 100, less than 0, greater than 1, anything but a whole number. Can never be. Yes. Less than 0. Never be negative. Probability is never be negative. So less than 0, correct. Even greater than 1 kuda kaadu. కొన్ని టైమ్స్ లో అవుతుందా అవదు. Greater than 1 kuda kaadu kada. The probability expressed as a percentage of a particular occurrence. Okay, particular occurrence. Okay. Less than hour. A single letter is selected at random from probability. The probability that the selected letter is a vowel. What are vowels, children? What are vowels? Vowels A, E, I, O, U. How many are there in total? Yes, 5 are there. Total 5. So what are the vowels present in the word probability? One. How many words are present? How many vowels are present in the word probability? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4. One is O, A, and 2 I's are there. So total 4. So answer is 4 by 11. 4 by 11. Next question. Question number 19. If A m by 3 comma 5 m by 3 comma 5 is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points Q minus 6 comma 7 and R minus 2 comma 3, and he is asking to find out m value. Find the value of m. M by 3 comma 5 is the midpoint of these 2 points. A is the midpoint of line segment joining the points Q and R. We need to find out m value. What is midpoint formula? Minus 6 minus 2 by 2 plus minus 2 by 2 comma 7 plus 3 by 2 is equal to m by 3 comma 5 sum of x coordinates by 2 comma sum of y coordinates by 2, midpoint formula. Once again, sum of x coordinates by 2 and sum of y coordinates by 2, midpoint formula. So here what you will get? Minus 6 minus 2, minus 8 by 2, 10 by 2. M by 3 comma 5. So minus 4 equals to m by 3, 5 equals to 5. So m will be negative 12. M will be negative 12. Next question, children. 2 root 3 is, what is 2 root 3, children? Is it an integer, a rational number, an irrational number, a whole number? What is it? Yes, very good. It is an irrational number. Good. Now, 21st question. First question. Triangle PQR CD parallel to QR, CA parallel to PR. This is 15. This is also 15, 12, 20 centimeters. And what is asking to find? Calculate PC value. He is asking to find out PC and BR. Yeah, children. We need to find out PC, and I am assuming it as X, BR, and I am taking it as Y. PC, BR. How to do it? CB parallel to QR and CA parallel to PR. That is given. Ideas? Okay, BPT. Good. We have to use basic proportionality theorem. Correct. So we'll start from where we have to start. QC by CP, very good, very good. We need to start from here, triangle QPR. Triangle QPR, CA parallel to PR. So, QC by CP is equal to QA by AR. We need to start from this. QC 15 by X. 12 by 20. Do cross multiply. 12x is equal to 15 into 20. X is equal to 15 into 20 by 12. 4 5s, 4 3s. 3 1s are 3 5s are. X is 25. X is 25. That means this one is 25. Now, in order to find out y, what we have to do, children? In order to find out y, what we have to do? X we got 25. So in order to find out y, we need to consider triangle PQR. CB parallel to QR. CB parallel to QR. So PC by CQ is equal to PB by BR. PC X 25, 15, 15. Y. Do cross multiply and simplify. Do cross multiplication and simplify. 25y is 225. Y is equal to 225 by 25. 9. Y value 9. Next question. Question number 22nd. There is a circle and a tangent. BOA diameter and this one is 58 degree. It is asking to find out angle ATQ, this one. Yeah, children. He is asking to find out angle ATQ. ATQ. BOA is a diameter and AT is tangent at A. AT is tangent at A. Go with the QT, AT are tangents. Go with that. Go with the QT, AT are tangents, sir. Is QT is a tangent? Yeah, this one is 29 degree. Somebody told this. Angle ABQ or ABT, whatever it may be. Angle ABQ or ABT, 29 degree because ABT is inscribed angle AOQ, some central angle. Angle ABT is half of angle AOT. No, don't say ABQ, this one. ABQ is half of angle AOQ. ABQ is half of angle AOQ. So angle ABQ is half of 58 degree. Is 29 degree. After this, (29 plus x plus 90). What is 90? This is 90. Can anyone say the reason? Angle BAT 90 degrees. Reason? Yes, radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. OA is radius. OA is radius, so OA is perpendicular to AD at A. And BOA is a diameter, so OA is a part of BOA. So BA is perpendicular to AD. We can say like 90 degrees. So by angles and property of triangle, 90 plus 29 plus x is 180. Then x will be 180 minus 119. 180 minus 119. $61 degree. Good. Next question. Evaluate cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degree. Plus 1 by secant 60. Evaluate cos 45 degree by secant 30 degree plus 1 by secant 60. See this one, children. See what I am writing. I'll write something over here and you need to mention the reason. Okay, na? I'll write something over here and you have to say the reason. Okay? Right. Cos 45 degree, cos 30 degree plus cos 60 degree. Am I correct? If yes, what is the reason? Ritvik, your reason is wrong. Ritvik's reason wrong. Yes, 1 by secant A is cos A. 1 by secant A is cos A. So 1 by secant 30 I can write cos 30 and 1 by secant 60 I can write cos 60. Now substitute the values. 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by root 2. Now this becomes root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 root 2 LCM. Root 3 plus root 2. Rationalize denominator. Root 6 plus 2 by 4. Up to here you have to solve the problem, children. You cannot leave the problem over here. You need to do rationalization also. Okay, na? Next question. A box contains 12 balls, of which some are red in color. Total number of balls in the box. 12. Number of red balls, X. Number of red balls, X. Then, what is the probability of drawing a red ball? X by 12. Okay. Total number of balls in the box is 12. In that, X are red balls. So, number of red balls is X. Then, probability of drawing a red ball is X by 12. Now, what is saying? If 6 more red balls are put in the box and a ball is drawn at random, the probability of drawing a red ball doubles than it was the before. Now what he has done? 6 more red balls kept in the box. So therefore, total number of balls becomes 18 and total number of red balls becomes X plus 6. You got the children? Children, you got it or not? What happened now? That fellow, he kept 6 more red balls in the box. Then the total number of balls becomes 18 and total number of red balls becomes X plus 6. Now what is the probability of drawing red ball now? At this situation, X plus 6 by 18. Now what is it? This new probability is double the old one. The new probability is double the old one. Simplify and tell me X. What is X value? X 3, Pramaditya says 3, eh? Three, yeah. 3 is correct answer. Yeah. Next. There is an internal choice question. 2 different dice are tossed together. Find the probability that the number on each die is even. So if we drawn or if we rolled 2 different dice, what are the possible outcomes, right? And how many it will be? How many possible outcomes will be there when we roll 2 dice at a time? 36. Very good. So what is the first question says? Both dice should contain even number only. Both dice should contain even number only. That means 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. 4, 2, 4, 4, and 4, 6. 6, 2, 6, 4, 6, 6. How many will be there? 9 will be there. 9 favorable outcomes to our event. there are 9 favorable outcomes to our event. What is our event? Both dice should contain even number only. So in favor of that event, there are 9 outcomes. So the probability is 9 by 36. 1 by 4. Now what is the second question in that? What is the second question? That the sum of numbers appearing on 2 dice is 5. Sum of numbers appearing on 2 dice is 5. I think first number is 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1 లేదు, 2, 2 లేదు, 2, 3, 2, 4 లేదు, 2, 5 లేదు, 2, 6 లేదు, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1. So how many are there total? Sum on 2 dice. 4 are there. So 4 by 36. 1 by 9. Next. Question number 25. In the given figure, G is the midpoint of PQ of triangle PQR and GH is parallel to QR. Prove that H is the midpoint of PR of triangle PQR. Triangle PQR, G is a point on PQ and H is a point on QR. GH is parallel to QR. Not only that, G is the midpoint of PQ. Okay, I am writing given here. Given triangle PQR, GH is parallel to QR. Not only that, PG is equal to GQ. PG is equal to GQ. That means G is the midpoint of PQ. Now what is required to prove? PH is equal to HR. That is, H is the midpoint of PR. Okay? Now, see the proof, children. Triangle PQR, GH parallel to QR. So by basic proportionality theorem, PG by GQ is equal to PH by HR. PG by GQ is equal to PH by HR. But PG is equal to GQ, na? So PG by GQ is 1. Now insert that one. Therefore, 1 is equal to PH by HR, which implies PH is equal to HR. PH is equal to HR. So H is the midpoint of PR. Okay, na? And today's last question. Yeah. In triangle ABC, if X and Y are points on AB and AC respectively, such that AX by XB is equal to 3 by 4, AY 5, YC 9. Then state whether XY and BC are parallel or not. You need to tell me, children. Triangle ABC is there. Okay. XY are 2 points on AB and AC. AX by XY XB is given as 3 by 4. Okay. AY 5, YC 9. Now is XY parallel to Y? BC? Is XY parallel to BC, children? If not, why? Okay. Because AX by XB is not equal to AY by YC. Okay, that's why XY is not parallel to BC. If AX by XB is equal to AY by YC, then XY parallel to BC. Since it is not happening, XY is not parallel to BC. Okay, na? Right. So Monday onwards we have revision, children. Okay, na? You need to bring according to the revision schedule. Now I am going to share with you the revision schedule. According to the revision schedule only you have to bring the books. Okay? So click on the like button and leave the class. Attendance Vankaila and Tejal. Moksha and Tejal, take attendance now. Is it done? Tejal, attendance taken. Moksha? Okay, bye.